In our level 2 example for average velocity, we see Zoe began a hike, and she was 1643 meters north of the Mahwah River, and she ended her journey 2,058 meters south of the Mahwah River after 1977 seconds, and we're looking for her average velocity. When we try to label this information, she began, so this is our starting position, and then she ended 2058 meters south, and this 1977, well, that's the time interval. That's how long it took. And we are looking for the average velocity. So we can make a picture to help us organize our information in the situation we are studying. We have positive and negative, and we have zero. And our zero seems to relate to the Mahwah River. And we can make north positive and south negative. And again, we could do it the other way around if we chose. But we'll do it this way. And so she is 1643 meters north. And that is the Y0. And then she ends up 2058 south. And since she's now on the left side of 0, that means that it's negative. So this is her final position, Y. And what we know is this total time as she moved from here to here, the delta T was 1,977 seconds. Now we can list our givens. We can say that Y0 is 1643 meters. And the final position is minus 2,058 meters. We are looking for delta Y. Oh, we are not looking for delta Y. We are looking for V bar, the average velocity, and we have a delta T, which is 1,977 seconds. Now we can record our formula, which is the average velocity, delta Y over delta T. And that delta Y is Y minus Y naught all over delta T. So we have minus 2,058 minus 1,643 all over 1,977. And then when we do the numerator first, we end up with minus 3,600 3,701 meters all over 1,977. So we go to our Desmos and do the division. 3,701 divided by 1,977 gives us 1.8720. 1.8720 meters per second. So we have our final answer. We go back to our guesses method. We solved for the unknown quantity, which was already solved for. We substituted values. We calculated the unrecorded answer. We have our units, and now we need to figure out the significant digits. Well, we go back to where we started. And this number in the numerator had 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottom number had 4 digits. So that means our final answer has 4 digits. So I highlight 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And then we look at this 0. Well, that 0 doesn't cause the 2 to round up. So now we have V bar equals 1.872 meters per second. So that is the number with correct significant digits. And then we ask ourselves, well, is it in scientific notation? Does it need to be in scientific notation or be put into scientific notation? And it turns out it's a number between 1 and 10, so that is our final answer. No scientific notation necessary. And that's our level 2 example. Now, comparing the two, you'll notice the level 1 example, we were given delta Y and delta T, and we found the average velocity. In the level 2 example, we were given the delta T, but we had to find the delta Y. So it was one step more difficult.